are interconnected, you are interlinked with many things around you. You have need of such things around you. Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn a chapter from 3rd standard NCERT book, Looking Around. The name of the chapter is Web of Life. Let's get started. So in this chapter is very last because this is very conclusive chapter of whole book. So you must have read whole book, and you have read about trees, plants, animals, cooking, food, and water, houses, vehicles, many things around us. So you must have thought about them as well. Can you tell why did we try to know and think about all these things? Why we have learned these things around us? So the reason of that is we are connected to such things. We are connected to trees. We are connected to soil, water. Directly or indirectly, we are connected to such things. So to know how we are connected, so they have told us some tasks to do. So we are going to do first task for that. First of all, you have to draw a picture in a blank space. They have shown a blank space here, and you have to draw your picture. You can stick your picture there. Now you have to join your picture by line to a particular, what do you feel which picture is useful for you. Like there are 3 and 3 9 pictures, 9 and 10 pictures are there, right? 10 pictures are there. So which is needy, which is required to you? Can you tell? House. Yes, house is required. House is very needful source for us. So we can connect our picture with house. So what it shows that for house we need soil, right? We need soil to build a house. We need bricks for that, right? We need soil. The bricks are made out of soil. So bricks are needed for building. And clay is also needed. So clay also comes from soil. Water also needed to make a building, to make house. So such things are needed for us. So can you guess, if we connect our picture with the house, so what it will give? House also needs to form by using soil, bricks, and woods. So house will also get connected to such things. So can you guess, whichever things you connect with your picture, so that particular thing will also get connected to other pictures. So to make house, there is various things we need to form house. So to make house, there are many, we need to connect with many pictures. We need to connect with soil, we need to connect with water to that house picture. So can you guess, if you connect to such more things, you will get a web. You will get a web. Web is mesh like structure. So you will get a web. So this is web of life. You are interconnected. You are interlinked with many things around you. You have need of such things around you. You have requirement of such things around you to live life. So these are the required things in our life. This is our around. Looking around is what? Looking around is your surrounding, the things of your surrounding are required to use. So you have learned such things in this book. All right, this was the conclusive chapter of your book. So we will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayansh looks forward to have you on board. Ammi had cooked kheer and puri, which I don't like. So I ate an omelette instead.